Assalamualaikum and very good morning. How are you girls? Okay, so today we are going to continue our last discussion on the cell division. Okay, today we are going to discuss a comparison between meiosis 1 and meiosis 2. So we already discussed the meiosis process in the previous video. Right, so what are the difference between the meiosis 1 and meiosis 2? Okay, first, in meiosis 1, chromosome crossover occurs. Yeah, chromosome crossover occurs. Or in other words, crossing over occurs in meiosis 1. Okay, do you still remember in which phase? Yeah, it is in prophase 1. Okay, in meiosis 2, no crossing over occurs. Yeah, no crossing over occurs. Okay, do you still remember what is a crossing over? Yeah, crossing over is a process of exchange of the material between the non-sister chromatids. So it will cause variation. Right. Okay, next we go to the second point. In meiosis 1, homologous chromosome present at the beginning. Yeah, okay, homologous chromosome present at the beginning. Yeah, okay. And then in meiosis 2, just individual chromosome are present. Yeah, just individual chromosome are present. Yeah, not the homologous. Okay, the third difference. Meiosis 1 proceed by interphase. Yeah, it will starting with the by interphase. Okay. For meiosis 2, no interface. Yeah, no interface between meiosis 1 and meiosis 2. And then the fourth difference, in meiosis 1, individual chromosome. Yeah, involve the individual chromosome. Yeah, it will produce the daughter cell with the individual chromosome. In the meiosis 2, the gamete or the daughter cell produced with the sister chromosome. Yeah, sister chromosome. Okay, so there are the difference between the meiosis 1 and meiosis 2. Okay, please find more differences. Yeah, okay, more differences between meiosis 1 and meiosis 2. Okay, next we go to the difference. We go to the comparison between mitosis and meiosis. Yeah, a comparison between mitosis and meiosis. Yeah, we go to the similarity first. Yeah, similarity at the center is referred to the similarity. Okay, first similarity, the mitosis and meiosis are both process produce new cell. Yeah, produce new cell. Okay, then second similarity, the both process begin with the parent cell. Both process begin with the parent cell. Okay, we go to the first difference. Okay, first difference. Okay, here. In mitosis, it produce two haploid daughter cell. Yeah, okay. It produce two haploid. Actually, it's not haploid here. It is two diploid. Yeah, two diploid. Okay, please correct it here. Yeah, produce two diploid daughter cell. Okay, here in meiosis, produce four haploid daughter cell. Yeah, haploid daughter cell. Here is diploid. Why diploid? Because the daughter cell is identical to the parent cell. If parent cell is diploid, the daughter cell also diploid. Okay, second difference. Okay, as you can see here, the daughter cell is identical to the parent cell. Yeah, so at the end of the mitosis, it will produce identical daughter cell. Yeah, identical with the parent cell. Okay, but in meiosis, it will produce the daughter cell which is different genetically. Yeah, different genetically. Yeah, yang berbeza secara genetik. Why it is different? Because of what the process occur just now? Because of the crossing over occur. Yeah, whereby the genetic material are exchange between the non-sister chromatids. Okay, and then we go to the third difference. In mitosis, total of 4 stages. In meiosis, total of 8 stages. Alright, okay. Then we go to this one. Okay, in mitosis, no crossing over occurs. Yeah, no crossing over occurs. Yeah. In meiosis, crossing over occurs. Okay, so can you find some more difference? I hope you can find it. Yeah. For example, mitosis. In mitosis, synapses occur. In meiosis, synapses does not occur. Yeah? You can add it by your own, right? Okay. Okay, next we go to the health issues. Yeah, health issues, not the healthy issue. Yeah, because I saw just now, some of you write healthy. It's not healthy. It's health issue. Yeah, issue kesihatan. Yeah, issue kesihatan. Okay, so it will involve the health issues of the cell division. Yeah, on the human health. Okay, as you can look in your textbook on page 108. Yeah. Okay, the cell cycle is controlled by a special control system at each G1, S, G2, and M phase. Right? So they have a special control system. Yeah, the cell cycle controlled by a special control system to ensure proper division of the cell. Okay. However, yeah, sometimes uncontrolled cell division occurs that can lead to the formation of the tumor. Yeah, that lead to the formation of the tumor. So how does the tumor form? Okay, how does it form? Okay, because of the uncontrolled cell division. Yeah, because of the uncontrolled cell division. Okay, so tumor can be divided into two types: benign tumor and malignant tumor. Yeah, benign tumor and malignant tumor. The benign tumor is not dangerous, and then can be removed by by surgery. Okay, but not the malignant tumor. Malignant tumor is dangerous, and then it will cause a death. Yeah, right. So the other name for the malignant tumor is cancer. Right. Okay. So malignant tumor or benign tumor, yeah, tumor is caused by a lot of the factors, yeah, by several factors. Okay. First factor, that cause the tumor is radiation. Yeah, radiation. Example of the radiation: X-ray, gamma ray, and ultraviolet ray also. Ya, ultraviolet ray ini datang dari mana? From the sunlight. Okay. Second factor, from the chemical substances such as tar. Yeah, tar in the smoke. So tar in the smoke can cause cancer, especially it will cause lung cancer. Okay, next, the third factor is carcinogen. Yeah, carcinogen. Carcinogen refer to the agent that cause cancer. Yeah, example of the carcinogen is benzene and also formaldehyde. Yeah, formaldehyde. It is a chemical substance. Yeah. Okay, next, the other factor is genetic factors. Yeah, maybe because of the genetic, and then sometimes because of the bacteria and also the virus. Okay, so what happened? Yeah? So all these factor can cause, it will cause the cell to divide continuously without control. Yeah, okay. So all these factor can cause the cell to divide continuously, without control. Okay, and then what happened? It will develop into a tumor. Yeah, into a tumor. And then it will develop into cancer cell. Alright. So the cancer cell will spread. It will spread and destroy cell around them. Okay. So as you can see in the textbook, cancer cell compete to get nutrient from other tissues around it. Yeah, around them. And then what happens? Sometimes cancer cell can spread yeah, can spread through the lymph vessel and blood vessel to other parts or to other organs of the body. And then what happen? It will cause new tumor develop to on the other organ. Yeah? And then finally, it will cause damage to the organ and cause a death. Right? Okay, so that was the dangerous of the cancer. Okay, that was the first issue. First issue on the cell of the cell division, yeah, on the human heart. Okay, we go to the second one. Also, health issue that involve the cell division special to the meiosis. Yeah, okay. So any abnormality during the division of meiosis can cause genetic disease. Yeah, such as Down syndrome. Yeah, Down syndrome. Yeah. I hope you can know what is the Down syndrome, yeah, Down syndrome disease, right? Maybe a lot of you can pernah tengok sebelum ni, ya, the person that have a Down syndrome. Okay, so what happened, yeah? Okay, what happened to the Down syndrome person? Yeah, it happened because the spindle fiber failed to function during anaphase 1 or anaphase 2. Yes, spindle fiber failed to function during anaphase 1 and anaphase 2. Okay, and then what happened? Chromosome failed to separate. Yeah, chromosome failed to separate during anaphase 1, anaphase and also anaphase 2. Yeah, either one, yeah, during anaphase 1 or in the anaphase 2. And then what happened when the chromosome failed to separate? The daughter cell, yeah, the zygote, right? Okay, the zygote has 47 chromosomes, yeah, whereby it has extra one chromosome at 20%. Okay, as you can see here, this is our karyotype. Yeah, this is our karyotype in our nucleus. Okay, so there in normal person there is 23 set. Yeah, 23 set of the chromosome. Okay, as you can see here in the 21st set, in the Down syndrome person here, there is a 3 chromosome here. We call as trisomy 21. So the other name of the Down syndrome is trisomy 21. Okay. So what is the causes of the Down syndrome? Okay. So the reason is causes is because chromosome fail to separate during anaphase 1 or anaphase 2. Okay. So please understand this diagram. Yeah, this diagram here is here refer to the formation of the trisomy 21. As you can see here, if a normal meiosis occur, so it will produce the gamete with the normal chromosome, which is 23. So if homologous chromosome fail to separate during anaphase 1, it will cause the formation of the abnormal gamete, which is 24 chromosome. And then what happens if fertilization occur between the gamete? It will produce the zygote which has 47 chromosome. Yeah, a normal person we have 46 chromosome. Yeah, if in the Down syndrome person it has she or he has 47 chromosome, whereby it has extra chromosome on the 21st pair. Right? Okay. So that's all for the our discussion for today. I hope you all can understand very clearly here about the mitosis and meiosis. Okay, please do a lot more revision to understand more about this topic. So this is very important topic in your SPM, right? Okay, so that's all from now. Thank you very much.